Eto guys, yung mga panindang handgun dito. I just want to share again. Kasi etong mga nagtitinda dito is eto rin yung mga previous vendors. Pero let's see their prices. At saka bawat gun show guys, maraming mga bago. At saka maraming mga dumarating na iba-ibang mga baril. Kaya I just want to show you again. Unahin natin itong Kimber. This is Super 38. Stainless, napakaganda. Ayan. With magazine capacity of wala, hindi nakalagay dito guys. And price is ayan 1199. And this is also SIG 1299. Look at this. So nice. 8 rounds capacity. This is 45 ACP. Ayan. Iber Johnson. This is 24 karat golds. 1599. This is what is this? I don't know if this is 45 ACP. Oh yeah, this is 45 ACP, 8 rounds capacity. Another one here is the Charles Daly 949. Ayan. Napakaganda rin ng forma nito ha. This is Chapa Firearms. And Charles Daly 1911 gold. Ganda ha. 45 ACP. And this is 9mm. Ito, Girsan. Rock Island. This is Armscore 749, 10mm. Ito guys, mga made in the Philippines daw yata mga ito. Kasi naririnig ko kahapon yung mga kwentuhan ng mga tao dito is this is great gun na galing sa Pilipinas. Ito naman yung tactical series 45 ACP. Nakita mo parang customized na oh. Meron na siyang magwell, may rail with very nice very nice setup. Sabi nga nung isa kahapon pwede mong pang jack sa truck eh. Kasi parang napakatibay ng itsura. This is double stack pala ito guys. Ayun oh, 45 14 rounds capacity, 45 ACP. Very nice. And another one here. This is also auto ordnance. Ayan. This is 45 ACP. Auto ordnance. Ayan. Yeah. Another tactical series ng Armscore. Rock Island ito. This is the shorter barrel kumpara dito sa isa. Ayan. 879. And this is 799. Another Rock Island. Ito. 549. 45 ECP. So guys, isang tindahan ng body armor. Ito. Hey sir. Nice to see you. Yeah. What company is this? Strike Face?
Guardian Gear.
Guardian Gear?
Yes. This is a
Oh,
shield.
body protection. Like that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this for police.
Ballistic shield, yeah.
Yeah.
And you have a bigger one down there.
Oh, what is this? Oh, this is
That's a shirt with the armor front and back in it.
Oh, this is nice.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Very popular.
Oh, this is my first time to see armor like this.
Yes.
With the t-shirt. Oh, yeah.
The armor is very lightweight. This is an example of the flexible armor shot 10 times.
Uh-huh.
Very lightweight, less than a pound.
Oh, this is Guardian Gear. Strike Face. Sana kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell.